So with the update, I just held Jahliel. I saw him today, twice today. He's still not with me on the ward. They still have to monitor him because he was born so tiny. He's 4 pounds. He's lighter than what Jonathan was. So they're watching him. He was in an incubator, I think it's called. It's like cocoon thing where you only can push in your hands and touch him. So he was in one of that. He was in one of that. And then he's in like a regular little like plastic bassinet type of thing. He's so small but so handsome. His lips are so full. Jonathan didn't come to me today. Today is Wednesday. First day I can see Jonathan after it's Monday morning. I miss him so much. I hope he's okay with me, but he can't come on the ward, so we have to go outside the ward. Let him come because we want to see my baby. I'm going to see if we can get like a 5-minute nap before him come because I really want to sleep. So yeah. So our visiting hours just ended from 6:30 to 8. I was really depressing because I mean I know I have to rest, but I really want to be where my family is. I'm eating grapes that my daddy bought for me. Cut off and cut it down. Check out the gems and file it down. Tomorrow, Jeremy and I are going for Jahliel. I'm super I'm tidying. And then probably come back to you guys later. Alright, hi guys, so I just thought I'd update you. I think I'm going to make this video too, so it's not that long. And you guys may be really close up because I'm going to see how much of this I can crop out because my belly is just right there. So, it is now 7 something. Yeah, like 7:30. And I had to okay, so it's the 14th of June. Jahliel was born on the 10th of June at 10:10 p.m. right? When I kind of woke up after surgery, it was like I think after maybe like an hour after. Since that, normally he'd be here with me on the ward, but he's not because of how he was born. It was an emergency C-section. It was full term. He is full term, and he's just small. It's the same thing with Jonathan. Jonathan was so small, everybody thought he was premature. Same thing with Jahliel. Everybody thinks he's premature, but he's not. So I'm going to do a video on my experience here at the hospital because I mean I have so much story times, bruh, like we're set. I'm feeling way better than I was because I've been till the 14th, and yesterday the 13th was the first time like I'm feeding him, like he's latching and he's just and I just want to cry. And he's so adorable. And he has so much attitude. I love it. I love it. I love it. And that's what Jonathan was when he was born too. He really took nonsense, and I love that. I like when a child can stand up for themselves without being prompted to stand up for themselves. I love an independent child. Say what you want, man. I love it. I would love it after one. This morning or to 12, and this is how I have to sleep. I have to sleep like sitting up. Because I can't sleep low, it's uncomfortable. And I have scars from bruising, cuts. I have open, my flesh is exposed because of apparently the tape that they used for the operations, because I had an emergency C-section. So the tape that they used apparently irritated my skin, and like water bumps came up and everything. Then after the water bumps, like when them burst off, them like expose my flesh. So that's what you guys are seeing. So I don't know where that clip is going to be put in. I just want to update you guys. I'm extremely tired, and every time after I breastfeed, I'm so hungry. Yeah, but I went to lie down, so night breakfast. It's not breakfast. I just really want Jahliel to be on the ward with me. Other than having to walk down to the nursery, walk back up to the ward, walk down to the nursery, walk back up to the ward. Yeah, and I'm going to be having some week sales to offset these hospital bills, because they're so expensive. It's a lucky thing that I had paid Dr. Banbury the money to deliver Jahliel, because that took like 50 grand off of our bill, which was good. But then because Jahliel is in the nursery, it's like, what's the point? So I hope you're hearing me. If not, I'm just gonna have to turn up this audio in post. But no IVs, thank God, but I'm still really swollen. So I'm going to take a nap, and then yeah, so thank you guys. Thank you a lot for your prayers, for everything. If you're following me on Instagram, then you'd have already seen all the updates. We'll try to update you guys at least once a day. So you've already seen. But yeah, I'm still going to get my full locks done. So, but probably next week I'm going to have to arrange with Toya. So next week Friday, because I have to do these videos. So once I do them, then oh, Mama did that come. So once I do them, the videos, then Mama. never seen you up this long. Like, girl, what? Girl, I've been up. I've been woke. Oh, you just urinate, no feces? Not a problem. Not 8 at least. Guys, today is the Saturday, 15th of June. My face looking smaller. Interesting. I am still at the hospital. As you guys saw in the previous clip, I have my own room. Yeah, so Jahliel is right there. So that's pretty cool. I think I got woken up and told that breakfast was ready, but then I think I fell right back asleep. So I woke up early and I was like, okay, doing checks. This is my 3rd check this morning, and it's not even 10 o'clock, and I'm very worried. I'm like, why are they checking up on me so often? But hopefully we can go home today. That's the dream, that's the aim. My blood pressure has gotten better. I think I was dreaming, but I could have sworn I heard a nurse say 128/80 something. That's the lowest my blood pressure has ever been in months. So it may be a good thing, maybe a bad thing. Last night, I went to check it. Like right before I went to my bed, it was 170 something over 100. Check it again, it was 150 something over 90 something. Then she never satisfied, so I think I dozed off, and then she checked it, I think while I was dozed off, because I thought I was dreaming, and just to the 128 something. So I wake up for use the bathroom, and I'm like, nurse, you did check me? She's like, yeah, man. She said, no, I said, nurse, I'm not sure now, but I don't know if I have the figures right in my head. So when Dr. Bamber comes, I got to ask him what it is. What it is.
From 2015?
Yeah, that me do feel like, you feel like that scar me.
We'll buy one Christmas tree downtown, one cheap $1,000 Christmas tree.
Nobody blame the quality, boy, it's cheap. Talk the story.
It's cheap.
What do you?
Is Auntie Chantel? Jesus God. God, I shouldn't go touch it right this year. I'm kind of afraid of him. With him gone, I'm deal with that for you.
Let me see. I'm
When him done, sure done today.
I'm going to deal with that.
No, the job is when him gone, him go with his wife. He not going to think wife. 5 months and his wife with him.
So when him
So
done,
you think him going to think wife?
Chantel, come go here. Alright, babe, bye. Yeah, I got you now.
one Christmas tree downtown for us $1,000. Come home and feel the Christmas spirit and say what's it up the tree. Couple of the light, they big bro. You see me? But, and it just, so the first, no, they tell you from before, so the light them now work. That's how them tell you. I was a couple of the light them broke. But since I'm going to plug it in the same way. So now, it's to keep the breaker.
I want Christmas tree up on the light, them point like the pre-made lights.
Literally, I look up, like, I say fire that's like Josh from out of the socket, and the breaker get shit. Darkness.
Darkness.
Darkness in the walls. See what I'm saying? Everything, you know, everything is ready, you know. Christmas tree, you have a Christmas tree.
I'm so really thinking about it. They have the birthday.
Alright, I'm sorry, I'll take my seats.
What is that? Waiting push button.
This is the part, this one for pushing. But this is the part with this going on.
Yeah.
Oh, quite nice.
Watch how I set it up without the manual.
Oh, wow.
I feel like they will come help you.
No, Mama, we can do it. We can do this.
I think it should be.
Yeah, no.
Watch this. Yeah, I just polished them. See, guys, I just polished them.
Oh, shit.
You want to forget? My belly hurt me. I'm gonna show you middle finger off camera. I'm gonna tell them if you show me middle finger. So I washed my hair today. Started looking like a human being. I wanted to cane and I'll go back. I'm gonna wear a wig tomorrow. The wig I'm going to wear tomorrow is like a colored wig. It's like a blonde wig and I'm kind of scared. Yeah, I'm kind of scared. I want to color it blue, like do a watercolor. I know, right? But that's after. Because I don't think Jamaica want me to be up on my feet doing watercolor wigs. A day after I was released from prison. Hospital. From prison? Prison. Yeah. Hospital. Same damn thing.
Prison, same thing.
Same thing. So I soak off my nails and I just polish them. With some... Chantel, you're blurred. You're literally blurred.
We are turning every damn time.
Because you're so beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true.
I tell you, you know, some realize say Anna Sachs actually have one. Find out that 10 years after.
It's tights and like tights with them pull down. I feel make them look like socks, eh?
I think I just literally just like how you have to respond to me. You're literally just like
respond for your ankle.
Just stick with the club. I see a girl take off her shoes and I'm gonna see her foot. And I say, so I want socks. Come here, so I want to put on them big so all of the thing I forget off. I did not get it. Is Erica over there?
Yes. I'm a record driven. I'll be she can shut it on, but not believe me. Nobody believes me. On lyric, your husband is. I'm like, guys, German have no sense. I promise.
Posture hard. So clean Jones with you, just sit down here, just one chip up.
See, how do you move from, oh my god, she's not wearing socks, to, damn, my posture is horrible. Oh. Don't know that, Jermaine. It looks awkward. It looks very proper.
I feel like Alan from Hangover.
Oh. Alright guys, so today is checkup.
Check every single video up.
Today's a checkup for baby Jahliel. So he's sleeping in his little bassinet. I'm alright, so cool, welcome back to the video. Cool, welcome back to the video. So today we're going to be looking about Jahliel. I have the camera to the special care unit at 10 o'clock. It is now 10 o'clock. This is what happens when you depend on people. I don't like to depend on people. So depend on people, they make you late. So the person should be here shortly. We're gonna have to drive up to that side. And hopefully all is well. Oh, Mama, you dash your Jonathan something. You dash your Jonathan box.